In this video, I will show you how to add or remove a payment method from Play Store or App Store. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing, and once you are done that, consider leaving a like. Let's get right into this guide. Your card may have expired or there may be another reason you want to remove it. It does not matter. I shall show you how you can go ahead and remove the payment method from the App Store. Firstly, open the App Store and then go to my App Store page. If I am on today page as that what loaded for me. Next, go to the right of the App Store. You shall see your profile picture or a blank icon with the person in it. Click on it that it will open the account page where you can view and delete your payment methods. Click on your name and email at the top. This will take you a page where you will need to authenticate, likely using Face ID. Once you authenticate, you see information about your account. Click on manage payment. After it load, you shall see the payment method links to your app ID. For example, you might see Apple Pay and a MasterCard. To delete a MasterCard, click on it at the button of the page. You shall see the option to remove payment method. Click on it and confirm your decision by pressing removing again. The payment method will then be removed from the App Store. It is easy. If you want to add another payment method, return to manage payment page by clicking on the top left and then click on add payment method to choose a new method to add. If you found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Thanks for watching.